Hello friends, welcome to the new ANSYS SpaceClaim video tutorial where we will model a bridge pier of 1000 diameter with spiral tiles. So first of all we draw a circle of 1000 in the sketch plan. Then length of the bridge pier we have taken is 4 meter. So we have to draw the same circle that is 1000 diameter in 4 meter apart. So we have to move the sketch plan. We will use the move grid or the move sketch plan option at the bottom, and then we put 4000 meter, sorry, 4000 and by going to the plan view, we will draw a 1000 diameter circle. Choosing the circle option, we will draw a 1000 circle. So both these circle will represent the boundary of our RCC bridge plan. It is the height of the bridge wire. So and we have two things are there, that is longitudinal bar and the spiral time. So to model the longitudinal bar, we need the outer diameter of the locus of the longitudinal bar. So to draw that, we have calculated by excluding the clear cover, and we have got the values of 860 of the outer diameter of the longitudinal bar. So we will take two sketch planes in both the 1000 circle, and we draw 860 inside circle, uh, inside the 1000 circle. Then that is or outer, that is the center of the locus of the longitudinal bar. So now we will take a sketch plane cutting through the circle in the middle along the y direction. So here we can see the cutting plane, and then to model the longitudinal bar of 20 diameter, we choose a line command and then join the inside circle from vertex to vertex. Then that is a line body, so we have to provide the radius of the longitudinal bar. And the radius is 20 so we choose a section of circular section of 20 that is going to the prepare option. Then we go to the and change the diameter of the basically by default it is 10 so to choose changes by 20 so we'll change the diameter as 20 so now section of the reinforcement are ready, so we assign the section to that line. So select the line and click on the circle option. Now you can see a beam is generated, that is our reinforcement is generated of a circle. So next we have to repeat the same longitudinal reinforcement along the inner circle, which will represent the longitudinal bars. So we select the bar and then go to design, then the circular repeat option, and then we choose 20 number of circular bar, and by selecting the inner circle, we can see the overview. Then we choose the tick mark, green tick mark, and we will apply the selection. So our sorry, longitudinal bar are modeled. Now The inner circles are of no need, so you could delete those. And we have to draw the solid point, that is the PR, which is constructed by compute. We delete all the unnecessary surfaces, and by selecting the bottom circle surface, circular surface, we extrude or pull on the surface up to 4 meters, that is 4000 mm height. So by selecting the full command, the y direction, and putting 4000, we get our inspire of 1000 mm diameter. Next, we have to draw the spiral ties so that you can see all the reinforcement by going transparent view mode, and you can see inside the solid there are longitudinal bars which are 20 mm diameter present. So next we have to draw the spiral tie. So to do that, we will select a sketch plane. It is sketch plane along the y axis, cutting through the length, and you can see we have chosen a sketch plane in the y direction, and it will divide the whole solid body into parts. Then you can see the grid origin center. So to move the center point or the grid point to the outer surface of the longitudinal bar, where we will draw the spiral tile of diameter 10 mm. So after calculating, we have got the values of 450 mm. So we just put the 450 mm, and now we can get a point there. And at that point, we have to draw a circle at that plane of 10 mm diameter. By zooming, you can see the point, and by taking by its center, and we will put the 10 mm diameter bar. And also, till the cross section of the spiral bar is ready, now we have to uh, generate the spiral tile. So to do that, we'll select the circle surface, sorry, and selecting the full option, we go to the revolve option, and the left hand side project panel, you can see a revolve helix, and you click it, tick it, and then you must box there. Window is open, then you can select the pitch like 100 mm, 200 mm, 150 mm, or the length up to which this pitch is you need, and you can generate the helical or spiral tile. You can just click and drag towards the axis, and you can generate uh, at that pitch, and you can also in between you can change by by selecting tab in your keyboard, and after selecting tab you can change the length and the pitch. So before going to pull the circular cross section in the spiral, you have to choose the axis of the helical reinforcement or spiral reinforcement. So you have to choose the y axis along which the spiral will be generated. So as you can see, we can change the pitch in between the bridge pair also. So by dragging, you can also generate the spiral, and you can see down the spiral reinforcement. And we can adjust the up to which length it will be there by dragging a small amount. We can generate the spiral type. So as you can see, spiral type and the features are also generated. You can choose the features by the Pier in the sketch plan or your view mode. And then if we turn on the solid option, then we can see the transparent view. Uh, Inside the solid, there are spiral ties and longitudinal bars. And additionally, you can create the support or the footing for this uh, RCPR by selecting the bottom surface and going to the opaque mode. And after that, these are optional. You can model the footing also by selecting the circle portion at the bottom and choosing a sketch plan. Draw a rectangular portion of your desired width and depth by taking circular, draw a defined circular from the center. You can draw a footing also. And for the footing, you can also draw the reinforcement in the same way I explained. So, if you have enjoyed this video and learned something, so if you really enjoyed this and learned something important, then please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for your presence. Now we will see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.